those baskets, 1 for $1, 5 for $3, and 10 for $5. As they pass the stands, one more round of applause for the Rome Free Academy Marching Black Knights. I've also been told that all baked goods down at the concession stand are now half price. So if you'd like to make your way down for some treats, all baked goods are half price from this point on tonight. Again, it's been 2 long years since our community has seen a marching band on this field. So we really need your support. Make your way down to that concession stand and maybe pick up something to eat tonight or pick up a baked good for half price. And of course, our basket raffles going on, including fall baskets, wreaths, movie night baskets, lotto tickets. Make your way down there and support the Jordan-Elbridge Marching Eagles. Now entering the field from Horseheads, New York, please welcome the Horseheads Blue Raider Marching Ensemble. The Horseheads Blue Raider Marching Ensemble's 2021 program is entitled Black Swan. Horseheads show includes the following selections from Swan Lake and Chandelier. The judges are ready. Drum majors, Teresa Courtwright and Kent Schneider. Is your band ready? Horseheads, you may take the field in competition.
Good evening, Horseheads. Alan Smith here with you on overall general effect.
the Horseheads Blue Raider Marching Ensemble. I have an announcement for the JE seniors and their families. Again, all Jordan-Elbridge seniors and their families, please meet in the north end zone for senior recognition. Again, this message is for all Jordan-Elbridge seniors and their families. Please meet in the north end zone to line up for senior recognition. So I've been given the message, this is the last call for 50-50, so please get your 50-50 raffle tickets now. You can't win it if you're not in it, and tickets are 1 for $1, 5 for $3, and 10 for $5. We have red tickets being waved right in the stands here, so get his attention and you can get a 50-50 raffle ticket. Also make your way down to our concession stand for our basket raffle going on. Lots of great baskets down there. Another round of applause for Horseheads as they pass the stand. Congratulations, Horseheads. Again, this is our last call for 50-50 raffle tickets. Please